Hey, what's up, everyone? It's the session 23. Yeah, it's been a while. Yesterday I didn't trade because the market was just boring. We're still in Gala. Bitcoin went lower uh, for the second time, so we might be looking at a double bottom here. As for now, it kind of looks like a higher low. But it's still, yeah. To be honest, this thing, yeah, it looks like shit, in my opinion. Um, I do think there's some opportunity here, and yeah, I'm likely going to switch some liquidity from transfer some liquidity from the core API to the challenge API. I am also going to take the loss on the challenge API, I guess. It's just 22 bucks. Let's start by doing that. As you can see, we went into the hodl zone on Lena. Yeah, let's get this over with. Yeah, we still. Okay, yeah, we had the P&L glitch. Nice. So, yeah, what we're going to do now is I'm just going to transfer, I think, around 6k from the core API to the challenge account, and we're gonna look for setups there because I do think there's some money to be made today, just before the weekend. Yeah, let's see. Let's first go to so the challenge account should be 666. Yeah, right now it should be less. I think it's this one. Yeah, I'm really not satisfied with the current state of things on Kraken regarding sub accounts. It's really it's unnecessarily hard. So let's see. We're gonna transfer from. I think it's gonna be the main account to 7 multi-collateral. Yeah. And let's just do 5k. Alright. Great. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to log in on this account. So we can yeah, watch the trades real time. Let's give this one a refresh as well. So yeah, we are at 2k now. I'm not sure if you can see this, but the current yeah, total price of this Gala position is 2k now. Now there is another line we just failed to buy, and I think it's gonna be around 4.5k, maybe 5k in total if it got bought. Meaning, with the current balance, theoretically, yeah, we could maybe get liquidated on funding rates if they go sky high. But in the real world, I think it's not likely we're gonna get liquidated on this. So then it's better to just move your excess liquidity to another account on which you then can trade. Why isn't the balance loading? Did I send it to the spot? No, okay, it's alright. Because right now we basically have 6k, or right now it's just 5k laying around not doing anything. And it's better to just take a small loss and then use that 5k to make some more returns today. And in the meantime, the core API can just chill and do nothing. So yeah, we're just gonna log out real quick. Let's see, I'm going to blur. Yeah, I'm going to blur this. Let's double check, because I don't want you guys to see my credentials logging in. Alright. Sign out. Oh fuck, now I forgot. Is it the... No, fuck. Sign in. I think it's this one. Almost there. Yes. And I have to confirm. Yeah. Yeah, okay. We're in. Let me just re-enable. Oh, yeah, here we are. So yeah, let's look at coins. I'm unsure if this is configured the way I want it to be configured, but we'll look at it later. So overall, Bitcoin is looking quite bearish, to be honest. I do think we're gonna retest this level. I'm quite confident we are going to. It's the 0.5. We might even go higher. But this is the level I'm looking at right now for either continuation upwards, but highly likely we're going to reject here and move lower. In the meantime, I do expect Bitcoin to actually go sideways, range here for a bit, where we retest this or break down. But overall, I think sideways is nice before the weekend. As you can see, some altcoins are moving, and I'm really looking to trade those. So yeah, we have 5.6k at our disposal today. Let's find some. Okay, the Dixie is looking. Yeah, this is looking kind of crazy. Okay, let's take the What? Did they literally remove the screener? Did they removed the screener? Did they put it here? Holy fuck, man. Okay, I'll have to ask someone. Michael. Wow, okay, this kind of sucks because I just got used to the screener. So, yeah, this is the new screener. Oh, hell no. No way. I really dislike this one. Hell no. Ah, this is really annoying. Okay, back to the basics then. It's gonna be a little bit more work, but we're just first gonna look for strength. Jesus. I mean, Audio has been making crazy moves like this every single week, nearly every week. Oh wow, I'm really kind of tilted. Really kind of tilted. So there was also some spread on Lina, I guess, because we're back at 890. What the fuck? That's more loss than I expected. Let's see, Lina. Maybe there was very little. Yeah. The volume really sucked. But still, I don't get it. It's not that much, right? What the fuck? Oh man, I really like to just filter on isn't there anything else I could just do? Did they? Fuck no, man. Yeah, I'm just gonna create a new default screener. Hopefully I can make it my own. What? It's not even loading anything. Oh god. Yeah guys, I'm not going to do this now. There's probably gonna be some more time I have to invest in this shit. Okay. Yeah, I kinda liked Ondo for the last few days, but this candle, it really makes me makes me doubt that. Bomi. I mean, ENS is looking quite good, in my opinion. Just the volume, it's not even 1 mil yet. So I'm really second guessing myself if we should short here or long, because I do think above the 4-hour 200 it's basically bearish. At least for the short term. We are going to get a retest, but it will likely just reject, create a new low and then moon. So yeah, I think we're gonna look for short, guys. I think we're gonna look for shorts. Alright, let's look for weakness. So ideally we find some instruments that have no underlying use case, have a lot of volume, and yeah, show a bad structure. Oh my god, I really miss my screener here. Oh my god. Holy fuck. How could they do this? My autism is just not ready for this. So yeah, let's first look at volume. Also something I cannot filter now. Injector. Is it volatile enough? That's the main question. So the ADR, it's pretty high, so oh, I'm really caught off guard here, guys. My brain is just having a major malfunction here. Fuck me, man. Alright, yeah, we have to cope with it. So now I'm just gonna look at the ADR and the overall structure to determine if something is a good short. I think we could already configure something. Yeah, okay. Yeah, let's just start at the top. I think all these projects are too strong to short, in my opinion. I picked them on being valid longs, so I'm not gonna look at this list. Oh, now I just have to check everything for volume, which is fucking annoying. Yeah, fuck that shit, man. I'm not gonna. Let's look at the daily here. I think it's still uptrending. Like this is still uptrending. It's creating higher lows, so it's not really a valid short for me. Yeah, I think the volume is too low, and I expect the funding to be positive as well. Yeah. I do think OMG is a nice short because it's just getting delisted and it's probably just gonna die. It might even get delisted from Kraken as well. So I'm just gonna yeah, tag it. I mean the volume it just sucks. So we probably cannot run it with more than one weight, but still the structure it looks good. I mean we're breaking lows. It really sucks. Yeah, this also looks kinda sus. I think ICP has some more, Internet Computer has some more volume, yeah, 2.4. It's decent. Oh man, it feels good to be back. There has been multiple days of literally not even one trade. But right now we can do something again. Yeah, Alice is also kinda sus, man, because if you look at this, Alice just tends to make fucking crazy ass pumps all out of nowhere. Usually during weekend it just rotates and it's too risky for shorts. The volume of waves. Waves is similar to OMG. It also got... Okay, yeah, the volume is decent. It also got delisted on Binance. And usually when Binance delists something, Bybit and eventually Kraken follows. So let's look at... Yeah, I have to be honest, this is kinda sus. I mean, if we get something like this, we just instantly get ourselves liquidated. Or in a very bad position. So yeah, I'm not gonna risk that. Yeah, I think Ape is also, I mean, never say this is a strong support because we're heading lower. But Ape, if you look at this, it's, yeah, I mean, it's just waiting to show us something. I think STX is also downtrending. Yeah, ZRX is also having a hard time. Yeah, fuck that, man. We like, even if we would like to trade this, like this volume, it's too little for even one weight, so it's too much risk. Yeah, I've seen curve breakdown. Not sure what happened here, but still, I think if I measure it correctly, yeah, I'm not gonna risk it. Uptrending. I mean, XRP, it looks good for shorts, but I have to be honest, it's always like one news event away from mooning or doom. But sometimes there's just this crazy news, and because it has such a big following, people just tend to pile on longs and moon it. So it's also something I'd like to stay away from. Not ideal. Typically I would like to have every single moving average combined with horizontal resistance levels inside the trade window, which is 20%. And as you can see, this would be nice for risk reward, but for for Mars Attack, I don't think it has potential. I will add it though, because I do think it looks good. I mean, there's clear invalidation, but other than that, yeah, maybe we should look at the volume though. EMX. Ooh, it's kind of low, man. Okay, if the volume was right, I would have added it, but the volume also sucks, so I'm not gonna risk it. Too high, yeah. This is also interesting. I mean, the ADR on Atom is too low. I wouldn't like to. I mean, the lower the ADR, the higher the chances that you're gonna get stuck on this coin for multiple days. And right now we're just looking for maybe 48 hours of trading. Still bullish, in my opinion. I mean, the ADR is low. It's low, but it's still interesting because ADA always has a lot of volume. I think it's over 2 million. That's also not too bad. I think the volume is very low though. Yeah. This is just similar to Alice, as you can see. It just tends to moon sometimes. Yeah, too much. Yeah, also kind of sus. I mean, the moving averages are inside the deviation values. It's also, I must say, it's actually looking good. But the volume is not there, and the ADR is wow. W. I think W is looking. It's quite alright. Yeah, volume is decent. So when I have a list hopefully in like 15 minutes or something, I'm gonna go do some more in-depth analysis on each flagged instrument. But right now I do think just had to do it. My autism told me to extend these lines. Ethereum Classic. I do think it's inside, yeah. It's very low ADR. Yeah, volume also sucks. No thank you. Phantom is actually decent. Yeah, that's decent. I would like to look a little bit more in depth on that one. Qtum, I think the volume is too low. Also pretty decent. But my multiple moving averages, it shows me it's an uptrend. So if I look at the volume, it's also not really correlated right now, which, yeah, okay, volume is too low. Yeah, I'm not gonna risk it. Also not correlated. Well, what the fuck is Gus doing, by the way? I mean, this coin, it's just not giving a fuck about Bitcoin. Let's see the volume. Damn, okay. It's one I would like to tag for longing. I mean, I think it's good to also look at my longs for the time being after doing more in-depth analysis on the short list, because we might have some great long opportunities here. I mean, if Bitcoin is range bound, the trend, the high time frame trend, I mean, medium time frame, it basically tells me we're gonna have more luck with shorts, but on the high time frame, I think there's still a lot of opportunity on longing. But right now, so yeah, we're definitely gonna look at longs as well. Theta's decent as well. Let's look at the volume here. Okay, yeah. Interesting. Yeah. I think this coin is relatively new. Volume is nice, structure also looking decent, it's a nice downtrend, so why not? Swipe. Yeah, it's also looking decent. I do think the volume is pretty low though. Oh, it's, wow, what the fuck, okay. That's nice. Byte. Yeah, I think it could be a short. I mean, Anchor usually performs really strong when Bitcoin dumps, so I'm not gonna risk, even though it looks very good from moving average perspective, I'm not gonna trade it. It's just the experience I had with Anchor. Usually when Bitcoin is dumping, people tend to move to Anchor. I think it's staking with some passive yield. So it's pretty interesting for people who are sidelined, who just want their stable or Bitcoin to generate yield while the market is uncertain. So kind of makes sense for Anchor to grow in price while there's uncertainty. Yeah, this could actually be a short of a lifetime. But this is so fake. I mean, Binance has just been buying their own bags, pumping the price themselves. I'm not sure why. But yeah, I'm quite. If I had to pick a coin that could do a Luna, I would say BNB. This shit could go to 0 one day. It's just like one lawsuit away, to be honest. So I'm staying the fuck away from it because it's fake. Jupiter, not interested. Jeez, what the fuck is going on here? This shit has been downtrending for a while now. What the fuck? Like, we've seen a bull market thingy. FXS has just been downtrending for over 100 days. So I think it's a decent short. Yeah, only for a short. I think these are all coins like Algorand, WorldCoin. I think these are all projects where people get stuck. They all bought spot like, yeah, Algorand is a good project. WLD is a good project. Like these projects tend to just trap people and now enter distribution. It's a bit the deviation. It's a bit too high for my liking for Marsatek. The ADR is decent though. Let's have a look at the volume. It should be pretty high. Yeah. I mean, it kind of looks good enough. Yeah, fuck it. Yearn, I'm also staying away from Yearn. If you look at this shit, it just... Yeah, shit like Pepper just keeps blowing my mind. I mean, if you look at this, I mean, Bitcoin has been going down for I think for a week now or something, and Pepper is not giving a single fuck. Yeah, I think this is similar to WLD, Algorand. It just tends to trap people. I mean, it's a decent project. Yeah, also makes sense. It's going up XMR. Holy shit. Actually, percentual wise, it's not that much. Yeah, let's also put a little wildcard in here because the ADR, it's amazing. And percentual wise, it's actually quite good. And it's a shitcoin. Why not? I mean, somebody has started to short here. I mean, this could pretty much enter distribution and nuke. I mean, the ADR is attractive. I just think it's just one candle away from breaking out again and instant hodl zone. But it's interesting to track. What's the volume on Bomi nowadays? Yeah, it's decent. We're also gonna short it. And I have to be honest, I mean, audio, it's so fucking volatile. If you look at these wicks to the upside, I mean, the volume, it just sucks. So it's really easy to get stuck. I'd like to track it though. Okay, so now we have a little list of potential shorts. We have a list of stronger projects. And yeah, okay, first I'm gonna get a drink, and afterwards I'm gonna continue my analysis, hopefully before US Open. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's in I think in an hour approximately that we're gonna see Americans enter the market. Yeah, we're just gonna weigh the shorts against the longs, and if the longs show better opportunity, we're probably gonna pick the longs. But right now, like I said, the medium time frame shows us shorts will be more rewarding, at least for 48 hours. So yeah, we're just gonna weigh them against each other, and right now we have a decent list of longs and a decent list of shorts. So I'll be back in 5 minutes. I'm just gonna chill for a little, drink something, and then freshly dive into the more in-depth analysis. Alright guys, I'll be back in 5 minutes. Bye.